Hello, what's up, everyone? Today I'm going to answer a question, a query I received regarding how accurate is Google Ads bid estimate. In this video, I will be answering on how accurate basically the Google bid estimate is. So, you have to follow with me and make sure to subscribe to my channel because I have been seeing that people are watching my videos but are not subscribing to my channel. I mean, why you guys are not subscribing? At least subscribe, to motivate me, and make sure to press the bell icon as well. So whenever I answer a question, you get an update that I have answered something new. Okay, so in this video I'm going to answer it on how accurate is the Google bid estimate. So you can see, for instance, here I am in a keyword planner, and once I click on this, and let's say if I search something on fast food. Okay, I have selected United States as the country, and I press the get results button, and based on the data, they are showing that top of page bit low range is $1.22, and top of page bit high range is $5.1. Or fast food, or even Jollibee menu 0.11, and different queries and different keywords, and Google has provided me an estimate for each keyword. So the question is how accurate these pricing are. Let me tell you that Google actually works with their own algorithm, and that is known as quality score. The most important thing in ranking on Google Ads is to understand the quality score concept. I have explained in my different videos, and this, before I answer the question, I want you to understand the concept of quality score. And the quality score concept is very easy. Okay, first thing first, you need to understand now what is quality score. Basically, quality score is a formula or ranking algorithm through which Google ranks where Google rank on their ads platform. Now understand. For instance, if an advertiser pays $2, if an A advertiser and B advertiser pays $3. Okay, which one should come on the top? Obviously the $3 one, because they are paying more. But what is happening at Google is that the advertiser A is coming on top, even on top on the advertiser B, who is paying 50% more than advertiser A, still on acquisition 2. Quality score, Google averages, Google, let's say on the first lot, the first average position, Google is receiving 10 clicks an hour from advertiser A. So it's a $2 into 10 is equal to, Google is earning $20 per hour from the slot number A. Okay, and even the B advertiser is paying $3. And let's say if the B advertiser is paying $3, but that advertiser is getting 5 clicks an hour. Okay, so Google will earn $15 from advertiser B. Okay, you can see that the advertiser B is paying 50% more amount than the advertiser A, but still his ad is showing on B, because that advertiser is making less money for Google. So what ad wins is the ad which has the highest quality score. And the best formula to improve your quality score is focus on relevant ad which can get high CTR. High CTR is very important. High click-through rate, people clicking on your ad. And then relevant ad, the relevant landing page, and relevant keyword, or in other words, how well your campaign structure is. So now come back on the keyword on that, how because this is an average. Google has just told an average. It's just a starting point. You cannot rely on this. Why you cannot rely on this? Because it will fluctuate. And who is the winner? The winner is who has the most quality score. And how you can get the highest quality score is optimizing by your ad, relevancy, CTR, landing page. Okay, this can give you a starting point that you have to pay approximately $6.72 for on a top position. But once you optimize and campaign, you may end up paying 1.5 or even lower, depending on how well you optimize the campaign. And I told you the formula of optimizing your quality score. Just focus on that, and through that you can rank on even top of your competitors, even with a much lower quotes. So this is just an average point. Don't take a word on this. Just take this as get an idea, and then focus on your strategy, get some clicks, optimize your campaign, and you will find that you have your own CPC understandings and budget understanding regarding for your own niche, target market, target country. I hope you like my answer. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.